In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header or footer in your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to streamline the appearance of your site or prepare a landing page with a cleaner design, understanding how to manage your site's layout will be invaluable. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the command center for everything you do on your WordPress site. You'll log in by going to your site. .com/wp admin and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a menu on the left. Look for Appearance, and then click on Editor. This will take you to the theme editor, where you'll be able to access all the files related to the appearance of your website. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of files. You should look for header.php and footer.php. These files contain the code for the header and footer of your site. But, before making any changes, it's essential to back up these files. This is a simple but crucial step that prevents any mishaps from becoming irreversible issues. You can do this by copying the existing code and pasting it into a text document on your computer. Alternatively, you can use a plugin to create a backup. Many people find that using a plugin is easier, as it automates the process. Once you've backed up your files, you can proceed with editing. Click on header.php to open it. To hide the header completely, you'll need to comment out the code. In PHP, this is done by placing it at the start of the section you want to hide and at the end. This tells WordPress to ignore that piece of code when loading your pages. Save your changes by clicking the Update File button. If you wish to hide the footer instead or in addition, head back to the list of theme files and click on footer.php. As with the header, you'll need to comment out the code you want to hide. Carefully locate the section of the code pertaining to the footer, and apply the commenting marks at the start and at the end. Remember to save your changes once again. It's important to note that changes might not appear immediately. Sometimes, you'll need to clear your browser cache to view the updated version of your site. Simply refresh your browser a couple of times or clear your cache through your browser's settings. Now you've learned how to hide the header or footer on your WordPress site while ensuring you have a backup to revert any changes if needed. If at any point you want to reinstate the header or footer, simply remove the comment marks and save your changes. This method provides a straightforward way to modify your site's layout to suit your specific design needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.